Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y22s and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. At first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select accounts and choose Google. Provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. Click on next then. And now provide the password. So let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, just tap on next. Here you have to select if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid and click on next. Tap on I agree. Tap on accept. And here you can also start saving the password. Let me go back because I marked the passwords. However, your account is added over here. And then whenever you wish to remove this account, tap on it and click on remove account. Then you have to confirm it with your pattern or fingerprint, whatever you have. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.